Healthy Hair series with J Spot. Throughout this series, you'll be given, you'll be blessed, you'll be given, you'll be blessed. So I created this series to really show you what I do with my hair, as I get many compliments and many questions, especially on my socials, about what I do with my hair. So I thought that it would be a great idea to make a series. Now there will be 7 episodes, and in each episode I'll be giving you things such as styles, hair mask, how I wash my hair, what these properties and certain products do for your hair, and more and more and more that you will get into. All the videos that will be given will be teaching you how I personally keep my hair healthy, how I try to maintain my hair growth. I just do everything, okay? So while you're watching these videos, I honestly want you to try these things out, as I do believe that they have helped my hair grow by doing twist outs, for example, and protective styles, or doing hair masks, for example. These have helped me on my natural hair journey, and I've been natural my whole life, and so I would just like to share everything that I like to do for my hair in hopes that you can try it on yourself and see good results. Also, let me know some of your tips and tricks on healthy natural hair and what you like to do for your wash days or your twist outs, or what products that you like, because I'm interested to know too. So to end off this video, I just want to tell you guys what you'll be winning in the giveaway. Make sure you enter. Who wouldn't want free products? Okay, good. So I'm just gonna explain what you'll be getting. I asked you guys on my Instagram if you would like a $50 gift card plus one of my favorite products, or if you would like 4 to 5 products that I use. And the 4 to 5 products that I use once. So that's what I'm gonna give you guys for the giveaway. This is international too. I do not mind shipping it anywhere. So I don't know if I have any international followers, but you can win the giveaway too. So I'm just gonna start off with the leave-in conditioner. So you will be winning the CANTU Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. This is one of my OGs. I use it all the time. It's super light and it's very easy with my hair. And I honestly found that a lot of people do like CANTU but don't at the same time. But I feel like the consistency in this product works for a lot of hair types. So that's why I just decided to get the CANTU, and then I use it too. So the next item you will be winning is the Eco Styler Black Castor and Flaxseed Gel. This is how it looks. This gel is my OG. I always use this gel, and I think I will never stop using it or never stop buying it. So again, all these products are things that I will always buy. The next product is Miracle Moisture Conditioner by the brand AUSSIE, and I got you the big size one, and this is their avocado one. And in my wash day video I explain what avocado does and the good things about it, but you're gonna have to see. But yes, this has avocado in it, and this is one of my OGs. I always use it. I will never stop using this. I will never stop using this. Even if I find a better conditioner, I'll still use this. I'll use this on the side. I'll add it with my conditioner, and it's so affordable, so that's a plus. The next product you will be winning is the Mielle's Pomegranate and Honey Twisted Souffle. So I explained in my videos how I use these products, so I won't go into it right now, but this is how it looks. I love this. I love this cream. It's so good, and I think you guys will really like it. It gives so much shine and definition, makes your hair smell so nice, all that. It's really good. So that's what you also be winning. And I decided to also add in a little sample of the Mielle Pomegranate and Honey leave-in conditioner if you want to try it out. If you do end up liking this brand, I wanted you to also try their leave-in conditioner, so that just in case you don't like the CANTU, you can have this as well and just try out something new. The last item that you will receive is a bonnet. You know, we gotta protect our hair at all times, especially when we're sleeping, and so it's just a little black bonnet that you can win as well, the giveaway. Okay, so now on to how to win. So it will always be in the description box of each video and posted on my Instagram. To enter the giveaway, you have to 1, be following me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel. 2, you have to tag 3 people in the comment on my Instagram. There will be a post about the giveaway, and you have to tag 3 friends and post it onto your story, and make sure you tag me. And lastly, you also have to comment on each episode of this series. Now, trust me, I will know. When you get drawn and I choose your username from Instagram, I will be looking for your name also on all the videos, and if I do not find it there, then I move on to the next. So make sure you follow all these steps, as I will be checking very closely. Just interact with me on my socials and on my YouTube so that you can win this giveaway and all. So I hope you guys enjoy this series. I hope that it will be beneficial to you, and I hope that you will also try some of these things out. A new video will be posted every other day, and remember that there are 7 episodes. I guess 8 including this, but it's not really an episode. But I hope you guys enjoyed this series, and I'll see you soon.